What up? I don't give a fuck about a gadget, faggot, blast it, clack, click, let a nigga have it. I get trigger happy, my fingers get the itchy and scratchy. Yeah, get at me, I'll kill me a nigga, I'll spill me a nigga, I'll fill me a nigga with holes. Case closed, blast the 357, send a nigga to heaven. Black out and say I don't remember like Evan. A butterfly knife give the butterfly effect. My Desert Eagle, I sing you to hell with the rest. If you try like the rest, you die like the rest. For my respect, you'll get a butter knife in the neck. It's bandana, the best in the West. I'm blessed and possessed. Yes, young Moolah is live in the flesh, nigga. Fucking with me, gun you deceased, lay niggas sleep. Long live the king, rest in peace. I'm hungry like I ain't ate for weeks and can't wait to feast. It's Thanksgiving, say thank you to me, nigga. It's Moolah. Thank you very much.